Okay, Professor Bear here. I'm going to show you how to extract the audio from an MP4 video. It's very, very simple. You install something called FFmpeg, which is a command line tool. The name of my video is github.mp4. And you just hit return. So you could paste this into example Claude or whatever you want and ask what this means. But I'll include that. You can look at all the parameters. You can literally ask it for the command line if you want, but you can also remember the command line. So we just use the command line, hit return, and there we go. It created a video, a audio called audio.wav. So I can then use a tool called Audacity. Audacity is an amazing tool. It's a free tool, and it's really, really good. Maybe Pro Tools is better, but maybe not. But it's a free tool, which is just awesome. You can do practically anything with audio with Audacity. So I highly recommend it. Then we look at our WAV file. So I'm not using a professional mic for this. So we can see something about our wave. What I'm going to do is I'm going to trim it. That just goes to edit, remove special trim. I'm also going to cut off the beginning of it here, because I usually wait 2 or 3 seconds before I start talking. And so I'm just going to cut that. And we notice it's not using the full range here. So I just select everything. I go to Effect. I go to Volume and Compression. I go to Amplify. If it looked like there was noise in there, I'm not going to go all the way to 6.1. I'm just going to go to 6 and save it. And then have it, the new version. I'm just going to give the same name because I don't want the old version of it. And there you go. You can also look at where you have pauses and things. So if you wanted, you could edit your video by saying where you're pausing here. If I wanted to make this tighter, I could, remove this. So we'll pause there, etc. But since this is matching me doing something on the screen, hold off on doing that. But that's it. Very, very simple. Again, just command line, FFmpeg, input, video. This is using this codec because it wants a WAV file. You have a different parameters here if you wanted an MP3 file. And this is the quality of it. But you can literally just paste this into ChatGPT or Claude or whatever and have it explain what all the parameters mean. Or you could just use them. Assuming you want a WAV file. It'll be a little different if you want an MP3 file. So that's it. Click the like, subscribe, whatever thing, and I'll make another quick video soon.